What is up, Math Made Easy fans? Today we have an absolute banger, guys. We are doing chi-square test on a calculator. I'm super excited for this one. This is for my TI Nspire CX2 with CAS. You can do it on the CX1 as well. So without further ado, let's get straight into it, guys. So, you're gonna start by hitting menu and going to 7, matrix and vector. 1, create 1 matrix. Then you enter the number of rows and number of columns. Okay, 2 rows, and we're going to do 4 columns today. And then you're going to try to find your mouse again and click OK. Then you're going to enter in all of your data to your matrix. Again, this is whatever data you are working with on whatever size matrix you are working with. So if you're doing a 3x3 matrix, you can do that as well. Okay. So now what we are going to do is we are going to see how the var button has a little stow and an arrow above that. That means store, and we're going to store this matrix. So we're going to first exit the matrix by hitting the right thing. So the little space bar kind of goes outside of the matrix. And then we're going to hit Control var and we're going to store it. And we can name the matrix whatever you want. Okay, I'm going to name this matrix sub now. But usually you would name it like observed or something like that, okay? So we're going to click enter. It stores this matrix as sub now in my calculator. And then now we are ready to do the test. So we click menu again. Menu is down there. And we're going to click 6. And we're going to click 7. And then we're going to click 8 for chi-squared two-way test. Observed matrix is, you can see down here, sub now. Okay. And there are our results. We see chi-squared is 8.23. Our p-value is 0.04. So if we were going with 95% confidence, we would say that these data are not, random kind of, there is something going on with these data that would make us think this is a little fishy, okay? But if you were testing for 98% confidence or 99% confidence, you would say these data are fine. So anyways, hope that helps you. Thanks for watching. 5 likes for another calculator video. Bye-bye.